So what we got here, one post here, one post there, 500 eyes. The bar's still a little short. Center plunge, even though it didn't really matter, that center's rotten anyhow, but we took the center plunge out and using a pull line over there on that little mini loader, and we had a pile of sticks here to keep it from damaging the ground too badly. And then this rope here is our safety line. There's a lot of tension on that. This thing was getting ready to roll down the hill, so that thing stopped it. And we had a second safety line there, which we ended up not needing. So we got to get some work done here before it rains. But there it is. In retrospect, I could have taken another piece off the top there. I wasn't really looking at this dogwood, but you see what we did to back a dogwood up in case this thing hit and started rolling into the dogwood. We left a couple things in front of it there to soften the blow, because that bark can be very, very sensitive. But what I really liked, Jerry, on this one was it did start rolling, and that bottom line there, going back to that big beech tree over there, that bull line, is what stopped it. It hit and started rolling. That's what stopped. That was cool. So I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks, bro. Good job. Teamwork.
Yeah,
beautiful.
Great job. Beautiful cut, man. Beautiful
Thank you.
Cut.
Yep.